everyone, Mike with It's Alive, coming to you from behind the wheel of our 1973 Triumph TR6 with Overdrive. This car is actually presented in its factory correct color combination of Sienna Brown over new tan interior, or as new tan is more commonly known in British car circles, peanut brittle. The car has several appealing features of an early TR6. Of course, you know, the color combination being one. Sienna Brown, I think 73 was actually the last year for that color before they moved to the lighter tone of maple brown. Another interesting feature of this car is the fact that it is a factory overdrive car, with the O being the last digit of the VIN. Also has knockoff wire wheels and Redline tires, all period correct. One of my personal favorite touches of this car is this gorgeous 3-spoke Nardi wood rim steering wheel with matching Nardi push button for the horn. Also is accented by a gorgeous walnut shift knob, wearing the classic Triumph open book crest. This car has a great appearance. You know, the very understated, very simple 70s color combination, the bolt-in roll cage and the chrome wire wheels kind of gives it the aesthetic of what a SCCA racer might have had as a fun Sunday cruiser back in the day. Overdrive transmission, of course, works as standard at the flick of a switch. Just an amazing optional feature of these cars. Before we put this car on the market, we actually performed an extensive amount of service to this car, replacing both drive shaft U-joints and all 4 half shaft U-joints. We've been through the fuel system. The car actually has a new fuel level sending unit, which is why our gas gauge actually works. Shifts are very crisp, very clean, very direct. Just what you want out of a TR6. When these cars are right, they are so much fun to drive. That exhaust sounds amazing. We've been behind the wheel for about 15 minutes now. Oil pressure in fourth gear at about 2,700 RPM is just a hair over 50 pounds, while engine temperature is just under a quarter of the gauge sweep. Hard to beat that. Man, this car is fun to drive.